Let's talk fermented onions, but first, please take a moment right now, hit the subscribe button if you like old-timey skills, cooking from scratch in a handmade home. My name is Jersey. Let's jump right in. And don't forget to check out my playlist, Fermenting. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is one of my favorite, fermenting. It's something that everyone can use no matter what, and almost everyone cooks with onions, so this is my favorite. I like to start with around 2 red onions. I save the skins because I use them for natural dyeing my wool and alpaca. I like using the chopper. It makes it so much easier than a knife. Simple. You might have to put your weight in on it. I'm going to go ahead and chop these up, and when they all get uniformed cut, I'll be back. Easy as this. I like UV jars. It keeps the light out. Put your onions in here. This is how easy this is going to be, because this will last 9 months in the refrigerator and I don't have to peel an onion. What we have here is 4 cups of filtered water, 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Same sea salt that we've been using all along for fermenting. You don't want canning salt. This was boiled and cooled. Add your brine. Let it sit down for a second. Add your glass weight. I like to put this right over something. Push, 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 push. And that's it. You want to make sure that it's covered. The rest of this brine, I will store into a jar in the refrigerator with the lid on it. As this goes lower and starts fermenting and packing down, I will add more of only this brine to it. That's all you have to do. Put your ferment ring on. Now, as all with fermenting, I suggest putting a container underneath the vessel to catch the overflow. I let this sit on the counter 5 to 7 days, up to 10 days maybe. Then I will take this off, put a leak-proof lid on, and put it in the refrigerator. At least 9 months to almost a year. I've never had them last that long because I use onions a lot. You can eat them raw. If you're going to add them to a chili or a stew, add them toward the end of cooking, especially with soups. You don't want to boil it all the way. Stir fry, excellent. I will leave in the blog all the ways to use these fermented onions. And if you made it this far, I truly want to thank you. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, thumbs up, and most important, share on social media. Have an awesome day.